Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on this LG TV how to decrease the brightness. Of course, if you have one of these LG TVs and you need to reduce the brightness, this tutorial is for you. By default, the brightness is very high. In fact, it's too high. It's at about 100%. I'll show you how to reduce the brightness on your TV set. So as you can see here guys, this is the LG TV. You'll need a LG TV. You'll need your remote as well. You're going to go ahead and as you see on your remote, look right here, you'll see a gear icon. That's the second row of icons or second row of buttons. Go ahead and click the gear icon. Once you hit the gear icon, you'll be in the settings menu. So next, what you want to do is you're going to go down and you're going to go to all settings as seen here. That's the 3 vertical dots. Next, once you select that option, you should be in pictures or picture. That's the first option. You're going to select using, as always, the middle button here. You're going to go over to move over, hit on the right arrow. You're going to go here, go to advanced settings, and you're going to hit the middle button here to go into the settings. Notice that the first option as well is brightness. So once you're on the brightness option, go ahead and select with the middle button here and select brightness. Now, as you can see, there are different parameters to adjust. Go ahead and select panel brightness with the middle button. It's now on 25. I'm going to increase or decrease the brightness by moving up or down as you're seeing here. And as you can see here, mine is down to 20. I'm going to select, go back with the back button. And there you go. Notice it's now on 20 brightness. You can adjust it to wherever you want. You can set it based on your ambient brightness. By default, I do not bring it too low. Anywhere under 50 would be good. In my experience, I brought mine down to 30. 30 is my sweet spot. But of course, you can set it to anything that you want based on the brightness in your room and your time of viewing your TV. All right. So simply go back. And go back, and there you go, it is now set. If you have any questions, please ask them below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.